Welcome back. So, guys, in this session, we'll talk about basics AI terminology. So, whatever the things we have developed, right? How to use AI using the Playwright or Playwright framework, right? So, first of all, just you should know the basics things of the you know AI. So, what is LLM? LLM stand for large language model. Okay, LLM stand for large language model. The meaning model train a huge text data to understand, generate human like a language. So suppose we have a earlier we have a Google, right? It's a huge data. The same thing the LLM we have. Okay. The core idea is on the one sentence an LLM system that has a read a massive amount of text and learn to predict what word come next. So well that it can hold conversation, answer the question, and write like a human. So all the LLM tools we were using, right? ChatGPT, Gemini. So when we will give the something you are asking, right? So the whatever the we have a data, right? In that data, they're giving you the answer, the huge. We have a large, text data over there, and it will write like a human. It's going to answer like a human. So this is how the LLM will do. So read, it trained billions of pages of the text, then store all that learning because number means parameter inside the module and predict. When you ask it something, it predict the next word, then the next one at the time. Understood, right? So and respond. So those words change together into a full answer. Just I'll give you the answer. Just I'll give you the example. Like I'm asking some question to you, right? I'm just asking, okay, what is playwright? So you are means you are listening, you are thinking, and if you know what is the playwright in your memory, it's already there. You know about that. What is the playwright? Then you can give the answer, right? So that is what LLM will do also. Okay, but for LLM, we often interact with LLM through AI or AI assistant application and chat box. Right. So this LLM, what is AI assistant and application? So these include tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Quan, Llama, right? These are the we have a AI assistants. So these assistant, whatever the assistant, AI assistant or application you are using, so it's developed on the LLM. Okay, so that's all in this session, guys. In the next one, bye bye.